my name is Andrew Aczel. I'm a Culinary Science major here at the Culinary Institute of America, and I have 60 seconds to tell you about it. Why did I choose this major? I grew up in a culinary family, and so I was surrounded by food my whole life, and I wanted to take food to that next step and make it healthier for everyone. One of the coolest things that we do is learning how to safely ferment foods, so I grow my own peppers and onions and garlic together and to make a beautiful hot sauce. My favorite class so far has been Flavor Science and Perception, where we learn about how everyone tastes food differently and how the tongue perceives flavor. One of the most surprising things I've learned so far is how interconnected all of our senses are, how much our taste is affected by sight, sound, smell, and touch. Where do I see this degree taking me in the future? I want to learn more about the fermentation of food and removing the proteins from allergens so I can get more research in the field and create new foods that are more allergen friendly globally. My name is Andrew Aczel, and this has been the Culinary Science major in 60 seconds at the CIA.